Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Dextools. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is already installed and properly set up in your web browser. Next, open your browser and go to the official Dextools website. Once the page loads, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner of the interface. This is your first step towards accessing powerful trading tools. After clicking the Connect Wallet button, a small window will appear, presenting you with several wallet choices. Select MetaMask from this list to proceed. Immediately, your MetaMask wallet will prompt a pop-up notification asking for your authorization to connect with Dextools. This is a standard security measure to ensure you approve the connection. Carefully review the details presented in the MetaMask pop-up. It will show which accounts Dextools is requesting to view. Click the Next button to grant Dextools permission to see your public wallet addresses. Finally, click Connect to finalize the authorization. This action securely links your chosen MetaMask account to the Dextools platform, enabling its features. Once connected, you should see your MetaMask wallet address displayed prominently on the Dextools interface, confirming a successful link. You are now ready to explore all the powerful features Dextools offers, such as real-time charts and trading data. Remember to disconnect your wallet when you are done using the platform for enhanced security. Enjoy your trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.